Within a remote corner of the Pacific lies a place where life has evolved in ways that seem impossible. Islands born of volcanic fire, shaped by wind and water. Here, species thrive in isolation, some found nowhere else on Earth. A place where land and sea dance in a delicate balance of diversity, resistance, and survival. Every island tells a unique story of adaptation, resilience, and the wild forces that shape them.
For centuries, the Galápagos were rarely touched by humans, but now that's changed. Over 250,000 tourists visit each year, drawn by the promise of the untouched, only to leave their impact behind. While tourism fuels the economy, it also strains the ecosystem, bringing invasive species, growing infrastructure, and more pressure on fragile resources. Fisheries too have left their mark. The Galápagos has long been a source of prized seafood. Lobsters, sea cucumbers, and sea urchins all contribute to the $10 million industry. But illegal fishing, often driven by high demand, is depleting marine populations and damaging delicate ecosystems. The urchins, unchecked by overfished predators, have ravaged kelp forests, while overfishing has brought lobster stocks to dangerous lows. These pressures, combined with climate change, threaten the very foundation of the island's marine food web.
The Galápagos is home to several species of paint, filamentous, turf, tufting, and fleshy habitat-forming algae. As primary producers, they provide food and structure for many subtidal organisms, such as the marine iguana, sea turtles, fish, and are therefore important for maintaining subtidal biodiversity. Habitat determiners such as Ecuador's Galápagos, the pencil urchin, are the most common and widely distributed sea urchin in the Galápagos, and therefore an important grazer of algae. The spiny lobsters are important predators of the pencil urchin, and therefore they help maintain algal cover and prevent overgrazing in the subtidal zone. The Galápagos grouper, locally known as the bacalhau, plays a key role in the structure and components of the Galápagos ecosystem as mesopredators and a planktivore, yet it is overexploited.
The removal of a top predator can result in a trophic cascade, and therefore pressure from fisheries results in harmful top-down effects and imbalances in trophic interactions. Spiny lobsters are an important fishery in the Galápagos. It's a specialised fishery, in which pregnant females can be caught and there is no quota, but the fishing is only allowed for 4 months of the year. Spiny lobsters prey on pencil urchins, and therefore their removal may result in a higher population of pencil urchins, and thus overgrazing of algae, an increase in urchin barrens, and decrease of algal beds. This in turn affects the marine iguanas, sea turtles, fish, and even the sea lions. The bacalhau is the most important fish to the Galápagos fisheries. As reef predators, their absence will destabilize trophic interactions. This may lead to an increase in urchin populations and consequently urchin barrens. The sea cucumber fishery is a very profitable fishery, especially in exportation to Asia. Their fishing is only allowed for 60 days a year, so fishers act urgently to catch as much as they can. There are catch quotas, however, insufficient monitoring to make sure these are enforced. Sea cucumbers play a vital role as detritivores, and without them, the health of the sediment in subtidal assemblages is at risk.
The Galápagos shows us how life adapts under challenging and changing conditions, but also how it breaks under human-impacted pressures. If we can't protect a place as iconic as this, what chance do other ecosystems have? These islands once changed the way we see nature. Now, they challenge us to change how we live within it.